Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Manor Park towards Stony Hill, St. Andrew Parish. We are driving on the A3 Stony Hill Road. Additionally, we are driving in the Kingston 8 area. Turning off Stony Hill Road onto Stillwell Road. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Long Lane, Red Ring, Stony Hill and the other places. Lakehurst Drive is straight ahead and to the left is Portview Road. On the left is Oakridge, where you can find the Embassy of the Republic of Korea, same as the Korean Embassy. We are now at Rockhampton Drive intersection. Going right on Rockhampton Drive will take you onto the old Stony Hill Road. Going left will take you to the other end where you can find Royalmount Close and Roucemont Close. On the right is Stillwell Avenue. On the left is Brenmar Way. On the left is Stillwell Close. On the left is Stillwell Court. Stillwell Road ends and we are now at the old Stony Hill Road. Going right on the old Stony Hill Road will take you back towards Manor Park, Constant Spring, Norbrook and the other places. We have made the left towards Stony Hill and the Kingston 9 areas. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.